my learning center geared towards kindergarten, and I decided to choose the standards relating to estimation, time, and one that says students collect information about objects and events in their environment, and it also deals with picture graphs, so I added graph into it. I didn't put this standard on my sheet, but I put shapes up, and that is one of their standards with identifying and describing common geometric shape objects. So these we can always refer to during class, and so they just start to know some of the shapes. And the first technical activity I had them choose, they're going to end up choosing their clock to mark their progress on the learning center. And then the first activity is time estimation. And they're going to look at these pictures, and they're going to write how long they think each activity will take to complete, and they'll have a log for that. And then the next activity is online activities, and I had that, there's 2 websites they're going to go to, and they're going to also have a log for that to complete, and show how many answers they got right and how long it took them. And that deals with, one's called Where's Their Pet, and they're gonna, the game has to deal with, a friend has lost their pet, and they have to count how many eyes, arms, mouths, or legs they have, and match which pet it is. And the next one is, and then, different times throughout the day, they're going to, so they'll have questions that'll say, Johnny's riding his bike home from school, what time do you think it is? And it'll be like 4 o'clock or 8 o'clock, so they'll have to choose and think logically about what time that would be. And the next activity is estimate. Now they're going to have different bags and objects, so they're going to have to estimate how much they think is in each bag. And their numbers up to 30, so obviously it's not going to be a whole lot in each bag. And then my next activity is clock graphing, and they're going to have different bags with different amount of clocks in them, and they're going to have another chart they can place the clocks next to the chart so they can count how many if they need help, and they're going to mark how many are in each bag. And the last one, I have a review packet, and it's just a review of everything they've learned, and then they'll just turn that in right here.